How to update Microsoft 365 app. Keep your Office app running smooth and bug-free by staying up to date. Here's how to check if you have installed the latest Microsoft app or not. Open an Microsoft app like Word or anything, click Files then Accounts. Under Product Information, look for Update option. Click Update now. The app will check for updates and install them automatically. But if you're using a phone, then you can go to Google Play Store. There you can go to your accounts. At the top you can see manage app and devices. Tap on it. There you can see the option of update. Here you can see there are no updates of Microsoft 365 apps, so there are no new 365.